Guys, welcome back to my channel. Kiana here with a new vlog for you guys. If you're new to my channel, stop what you're doing and subscribe and click the bell on the side so you can get notified when I post new videos. And if you're not, thank you so much for tuning in. So I just take my dogs out real quick before we get started with this vlog, which is why I have my hoodie on. I hope you enjoy, and let's get right into breakfast because your girl is hungry. Starting my morning off with an omelet. I had already made one for my husband and now I'm making mine. Along with making dinner, I am doing dinner pretty early. I had already mixed some of this up for Kade in his baby belly so that he can join us for dinner later on today. So this is later on tonight. I was doing my workouts. Kade was with me in the living room because dad had to go to sleep really early for work. But you see my dogs in the background. Just my regular everyday things, my push-ups, sit-ups, and squats. Next morning, we had some fried eggs. Ooh, let me tell you that I haven't had these in a while. Then Kate and I went outside and we took the dogs out to the backyard so that they could do their business and enjoy some fresh air because it was so hot and beautiful this day. We definitely went and enjoyed it for a little while outside until it started getting windy. Then we came back inside because nobody has time to be dealing with the winds. So here I took, this is another day. So I did last week's laundry and this is me doing this week's laundry for Kate because I have to do laundry like constantly. Even in that little washer, I still get a lot of things done. I just have to hang them up. And once I hang them up, I wait for them to dry and I go on and fold them. So it's a constant routine of washing his clothes, washing his bibs, washing his burp cloths and all of that stuff. Like I said, Kade's been loving this bouncer. It's actually one of his favorites, more than the walker and way more than the swing, because he knows how to like try to touch the floor from his swing. But he definitely loves this bouncer. So let me tell you guys, I am doing Kade's food. So I'm starting off with his veggies right here. Potatoes and more veggies. And I am going to add chicken. So here's his baby bullet. I'm going to get his food ready and stuff. And my baby bullet was a baby shower gift from my cousin out in Nice. And I love it. It's so easy to get his food ready. I do like to mix it up between purees and actual solid food. So like if I make potatoes, or if I make sweet potatoes, or if I make like vegetables, like carrots and stuff, I'll cut them into fry shapes and then roast them for him or cook them and boil them for him just so that they're soft enough for him to eat. So I do like to switch it up between those two. Baby's food is all done. So I just bought these bibs for Kade. They're made out of like silicone. They have like a little pouch here. Let's see how well they work. I can't wait to see him like feed himself with that on. He's been trying to bite it for the past 5 minutes. So I am giving him right now. First, I'm giving him carrots. So I'm giving him carrots and potatoes to see if he holds them. Are you excited, Papa? Here. They're really soft. No matter how many times he has a type of food, he always ends up making funny faces when he has it for the first time again. You want to hold it? You want to hold? Okay. Ooh, you a big boy. You a big boy, Papa. Mmm, yummy, yummy. Yummy. Guys, so let me show you guys Kade's photo shoot setup. Snacks, gloves, masks, his wipies, Bounty, Lysol, more wipies, him, the star, of course, playing with his water, toilet paper, hand sanitizer, more water. And he's in his Calvin Klein pajamas that his grandfather got him. So this is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed my son's 7-month photo shoot. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video and click the bell on the side for notifications on when I post new videos. Let's stay connected through Instagram. And I thank you guys so much for tuning into our videos. So I'll see you guys in the next video.